Welcome, and let's talk about Terra Classic price prediction by 2023, because remember, so many people actually predicted that Terra Classic is going to hit about 10,000% before the end of this year. That was about 4 months ago, where so many crypto predators were predicting about Terra Classic before the launch of 1.2% tax bomb, which many people believe that is going to push the price of Terra Classic to really increase in price. But to me, I think 2023 is going to be the year we are going to experience a high increase in price on Terra Classic token. Yes, I believe Terra Classic token, with the way the things are going with the project, the 1.2% tax bond, with the support, with the listening, with the community, I think next year definitely this coin is going to delete a 0 or 2 zeros before the end of 2023. So hitting between 5,000 to 10,000%, but definitely I'm sure 1,000% is certain if Terra Classic keep burning, if the burning keep increasing and Binance keep supporting, even Binance founder season keep supporting. But I believe between 5,000 to 10,000% increase in price by the end of 2023. Definitely Terra Classic is going to hit a very high level, and while some people also predict Terra Classic is going to hit $1, but I think for now I believe this coin can hit 1 cent, which is that is to say deleting about 2 before the end of next year. But all this depends on the how successful the 1.2% tax bond is going to be, and also how successful Terra Classic developers are going to push this coin. Already Terra Classic have gotten a lot of exchanges that have listed this coin. So one important thing people we prefer to want to see is the burning of Terra Classic token, which we believe the 1.2% tax bond is going to help this burning to really become a success. But at the time of recording this, the 1.2% tax bond is not really burning these coins the way we expected it earlier. But I still believe next year we are going to experience a very high burning on Terra Classic token. Definitely we are going to burn over trillions before the end of next year, and I believe this coin is going to really hit. If Terra Classic can destroy still half or 90% of the circulating supply, I believe this coin is going to hit between 5,000 to 10,000% increase in price. So let's hope to see that Binance keeps supporting, CZ keeps supporting, and let's hope that Coinbase come in and list this coin and also support, and let's hope that even other crypto exchanges and companies will come in to start supporting Terra Classic token. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.